The Jefferson Lab is searching for secrets of the universe, potentially more startling than the smashing of the atom, by hurling electrons to smash into nuclei at nearly the speed of light, then recording what happens, looking for patterns, searching for a sign, a signature, a clue as to how we began and what keeps it all together.
What we do is pure research which provides the basis for future practical applications.
Dr. Andrew Hutton is Associate Director of the Jefferson Lab.
It'll probably be 50 years before we start seeing any real application for that. That's about the length of time it took for the understanding of the special relativity and Einstein before that started to turn into nuclear power and the atomic bomb. So that's about the time scale we look at.
Jefferson Lab in Newport News is one of 17 national laboratories funded primarily by the U.S. Department of Energy. It's often described as a giant microscope.
We're looking right inside nuclei of what's inside a proton, what's inside a quark.
He says the lab has just completed a $300 million project to boost its power from 6 billion to 12 billion electron volts to help them better understand the building blocks of the universe and in the process develop practical applications, making stronger steel, treating severe acne, improving mammography, and making tiny satellites. And perhaps more importantly, inspiring and instructing a new generation of scientists.
And if there's one thing that I would like your students in school to know is this is a really good field to get into, and if you're a woman, if you're a guy, either one would be delighted to have both equally.
And the lab welcomes students of all ages.
If I move up to university, we have a program where undergraduates come here and work for 8 to 10 weeks in the summer, and they do a project. They have a scientist that's helping them with it.
The Jefferson Lab can create conditions that existed shortly after the Big Bang, and scientists are using it to find answers about how the universe began and what holds it together, and someday could result in applications beyond our wildest dreams.
There's a famous story in England of Faraday who just invented electricity, and the taxman came to said, "What's the use of it?" And he said, "I don't know, but I know that you will be taxing it soon."
For Science Matters, I'm Charles Fishburne, WCVE News.